Wednesday afternoon to everyone. I am here at Elite Downtown Residence, and today I'm gonna show you this brand new studio flat with 49 square meters. Ta-da! Here you can see they already have a complete kitchen amenities. We have the microwave oven, the gas range, washing machine, and of course the refrigerator. And here guys, all new sofa, bed, and 50 inches TV. Balcony area where you can see the overlooking Dubai Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you all guys for watching. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And if you want to view this apartment, all the links will be down below. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald.